Hello, today we're crocheting an adorable heart-shaped strawberry hanging ornament. I made 2 color schemes, pink ones. This one is a cream strawberry. Feel free to follow along with your preferred color scheme. I'm using Seuss's Sister 4-ply cotton 2.0 crochet hook, and some craft glue to attach the leaves and small flowers at the end. Here, I'm demonstrating left-hand yarn tension with color 1. Magic ring. Round 1, starting chain. Crochet 6 single crochets into the ring. Place a marker on the first stitch to mark it. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pull the ring tight. Join with a slip stitch in the first stitch. This yarn tail should be placed above the hook. Pull tight when making the slip stitch. Round 2, starting chain. In this round, work 2 single crochets in each stitch. Insert the hook in the same position as the slip stitch for the first stitch. This round ends with a total of 12 single crochets. At the end of each round, join with a slip stitch in the first stitch. Round 3, starting chain. Work a single crochet in the first stitch. Work a single crochet increase in the second stitch. That is, work 2 single crochets in one stitch. 1 stitch, 1 single crochet. Work a single crochet increase in one stitch. Repeat this pattern 6 times, ending with 18 stitches. Rounds 4 to 5, work even, crocheting 18 single crochets per round. Work 1 single crochet in each stitch. Crochet 2 rounds on your own. After completing, join with a slip stitch in the first stitch. Chain 1, fasten off the yarn. Crochet another piece the same way. For the second piece, do not fasten off the yarn. Next, connect the 2 pieces. Round 6 does not require a beginning chain. Thread it through the first stitch. This piece threads through the first stitch. Work a single crochet. Insert into the next stitch. This threads through the last stitch. Place this yarn tail above the crochet hook. Work a single crochet. This joins the 2 pieces with 2 single crochets. Next, work around this piece. Insert into the next stitch, work 1 single crochet per stitch. Place a stitch marker on this stitch. Work 15 single crochets in sequence. Start counting from the stitch with the stitch marker. Now there's 1 stitch left here. Make a decrease at this position by inserting the hook through the entire stitch. Then pass through the first stitch of the join. Pull the yarn through. As you can see, there are 4 loops on the hook now. Yarn over and pull through 3 loops. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops. This way of joining creates no hole here. Then work 16 single crochets in sequence. After completing the round, join with a slip stitch at the stitch marker. Round 7 to 8, work even with 32 single crochets, starting with a beginning chain. Then work 1 single crochet in each stitch. Mark the first stitch of each round with a stitch marker as you go. Work 2 rounds even on your own. Round 9. Work 6 single crochets in sequence. Then work a decrease, pick up the front loop, the loop closest to you, next stitch also pick up the front loop, yarn over pull through 2 loops, yarn over pull through 2 loops. Complete 1 group here. Repeat this pattern 4 times total. Round 10, work even with 28 single crochets. Round 11, work 5 single crochets in sequence. Then work a decrease. Repeat this pattern 4 times. Round 12, work even with 24 single crochets. Round 13, work 2 single crochets in sequence. Then work a decrease. Repeat this pattern 6 times. Round 14, work even with 18 single crochets. After completing this round, stuff the fabric with fiberfill. Round 15. Work a single crochet. Then work a decrease. Repeat this pattern 6 times. Round 16, work 6 decreases. Finally pick up the front loop to close the opening. Tighten. Hide the yarn tail. Trim the excess tail. Crochet leaves with color 2 yarn. Round 1, make a beginning chain. Work 5 single crochets in the ring. Pull the ring tight. Join with a slip stitch in the first stitch. Round 2, make a beginning chain. Work 2 single crochets in each stitch. Repeat 5 times to complete, total 10 stitches. Round 3, make 5 chains. Go back to the second chain, work a slip stitch. Work a single crochet in the next stitch. Work a half double crochet in the next stitch. Work a double crochet in the next stitch. Skip 1 stitch, work a slip stitch in the next stitch. Complete 1 leaf. Repeat 5 chains. Go back to the second chain, work a slip stitch. Work a single crochet in the next stitch. Work a half double crochet in the next stitch. Work a double crochet in the next stitch. Skip 1 stitch, work a slip stitch. Crochet 5 leaves in total. After completing the last leaf, work a slip stitch. Leave a long yarn tail, and fasten off the yarn. Bring the yarn tail to the wrong side. Then bring the yarn out from the middle position on the right side. Pick up one strand in the first round. Work 7 chains. Work a slip stitch into the adjacent strand. Insert the hook from the wrong side. Bring the yarn out. Tie the 2 yarn tails together to secure. Work the flower center with an adjustable magic ring. In round 1, work 5 single crochets. Pull the ring tight. Join with a slip stitch in the first stitch. Cut the yarn. Bring the yarn tail to the wrong side. Use white yarn to crochet the petals. Chain 3. Work 2 double crochets in the same position. Chain 3. Join with a slip stitch in the same position. Then join with a slip stitch in the next stitch. Repeat, chain 3. Work 2 double crochets in the same position. Chain 3. Join with a slip stitch in the same position. Then join with a slip stitch in the next stitch. Continue repeating. Work a total of 5 petals. Cut the yarn after completing the last petal, and bring the yarn tail to the wrong side. Trim the yarn tail on the wrong side. Finally, apply glue to the leaves and flowers separately. Attach them to the main part. Now our heart-shaped strawberry is completed. Babies who have learned, give it a try. Welcome to submit your work in the comments section.